When we talk about present simple, the basic nature of present simple is same. We are giving information about somebody's activity, right? But our approach will be change. Our approach will be change. वहां हम कहते थे somebody does something. Somebody does something. कोई व्यक्ति कोई काम करता है, वो फुटबॉल खेलता है, वो पढ़ाई करता है। राजश्री जी सुबह 5 बजे उठती हैं, राजश्री जी क्लास के बाद लंच लेती हैं। ठीक है, आप किसी के बारे में कहो ही लव टू प्ले क्रिकेट, ये सब प्रेजेंट सिंपल में आएगा। सेम प्रेजेंट सिंपल हियर ऑल्सो, यहां पर चीजें बदल जाएंगी, यहां हो जाएगा कोई काम किया जाता है। When we were talking about tenses, we were giving importance to the doer. Who does it? Himani does it, Rajshri does it, I do something, Sagar does something. We are giving importance to the doer, to the subject. Here we will give importance to that work, we will give importance to the object. Our sentences will be object oriented, our sentences will be object oriented. तो इसमें सिचुएशन ऐसी है कि कोई काम किया जाता है, that may be routine, that may be have hobby, that may be anything, और वो सिचुएशन ऐसी है कि you need not mention the subject. The work is done, the work is done, and in this situation subject is not required, subject is not required. And many examples can be given. For example, let's take a very simple example. हम अगर कहें कि दिवाली नवंबर में मनाई जाती है, इस सेंटेंस की खूबसूरती को देखें। दिवाली नवंबर में मनाई जाती है, दिवाली इज सेलिब्रेटेड ऑन नवंबर, दिवाली इज सेलिब्रेटेड ऑन नवंबर। इस सेंटेंस को आप देखें, इस सेंटेंस में सब्जेक्ट इज नॉट रिक्वायर्ड। You need not say that Diwali is celebrated on November by human being. You need not say, it is understood. That situation is present simple passive voice, किया जाता है। In India, many festivals are celebrated. In India, many festivals are celebrated. भारत में कई त्योहार मनाए जाते हैं। In this sentence too, you need not mention the subject. So the sentences where subject is not important, object is important, that work is important, that situation is called passive voice. ठीक है? If we talk about the whole festival of Diwali, so it will be conveyed in passive voice. You can say, before 2 days of Diwali, Dhanteras is celebrated. Before 2 days of Diwali, Dhanteras is celebrated. On Dhanteras, generally jewelries are bought, utensils are bought. And if we talk about Diwali, the whole festival will be conveyed in passive voice. Whatsoever happens in Diwali, houses are painted, houses are decorated, right? Rangoli is drawn, sweets are made, sweets are distributed. So you understanding, यहाँ जितने भी सेंटेंसेस की मैं बात कर रहा हूं, सब में आ रहा है किया जाता है। किसी में आपको ऐसी जरूरत महसूस नहीं हो रही है कि आप ये बताएं कौन करता है। आपको इस बात का ध्यान रखना है that passive voice is a situation where subject is not required. Remember, I am not saying subject is not there. If work is done, there must be a doer. But the situation is that subject need not be mentioned. उसको mention करने की जरूरत नहीं है। अगर आप कह रहे हैं कि दिवाली मनाई जाती है, तो आपको ये बताने की जरूरत नहीं है कि कौन मनाता है दिवाली। इट इज अंडरस्टूड दैट सिचुएशन इज पैसिव वॉइस। आई होप थिंग्स आर क्वाइट क्लियर टू यू। So that is what present simple passive is. Let's take some more example. Let's take some more example. Right? जैसे हम कहें in festive season, in festive season, many new mobiles are launched. In festive season, many new mobiles are launched. Many big offers are given, right? In online shopping, in online shopping, many big discounts are offered. In online shopping, many big discounts are offered. See this sentence. Do you feel that there is a need of subject? No, there is no need of subject. So the situation where subject is not needed, you do not feel the need of subject. That situation is called passive voice. I hope you must have understood.